Have you ever committed the cardinal sin of flipped learning? This sin is the fastest way to have your flipped class crash and burn. You know what it is? Lecturing when students don't do the pre-class assignment. If you or colleague has ever done this, then this element is for you. This element is found in the Group Space Mastery section of the Global Elements of Effective Flipped Learning, and it is in L. Never lecture or explain the videos in the classroom for those who did not do the pre-class media. I can't tell you how many teachers and professors who have confessed to me that they have done this. It usually goes like this. The first time I assigned a flipped video or a flipped reading assignment, only half my students did the pre-work, so I had no other choice other than to lecture over the stuff that I had in the video. Does that describe you or a peer? So what should these teachers have done instead of going over the pre-class work? Frankly, the answer is for you to hold students accountable. And so maybe what you're going to do is say that you can't do the day's activities, or perhaps you're going to have to just do the hard stuff and just kind of suck it up. You know, when we started flipping 13 years ago, for those students who didn't do the pre-class work, we had them do the pre-class work in class while their peers were getting help on the hard stuff. You know, the vast majority of our students quickly realized that it was actually easier to do the pre-class work than to do the in-class work and then have to do the hard stuff at home. But the key here is that you must, as the element says, never lecture when they haven't done the pre-class work. Or in other words, do this and not that. You can learn how to master this element of effective flipped learning or to see all the other elements by simply closing this video.